Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will discuss the strict points of Amazon policy. Number 1. Intellectual properties. Do not use intellectual properties of other brands. I have made a dedicated video on intellectual properties. If you do not know what they are, I have given link of that video in description, or a button you guys can check. Number 2. Restricted products, not even by mistake. List a restricted product or mention their names accidentally in your product listings. If you do so, then maybe Amazon suspend your account. I have already made a dedicated video on this topic. Number 3. Product listing policy, misleading title, using other brand names, slightly different product pictures of other sellers, wrong descriptions. These are the things you should not do as a seller. Number 4. Reviews and feedback. Do not try to play with Amazon by adding fake reviews, etc. Number 5. Cashback. Do not offer cashback to your customers on making a purchase. Number 6. Multiple account and one PC. Don't open other person account on your PC or cell phone, and also don't open your account on other person PC or cell phone without permission. For example, child access. CCs. If you do so, it will give a sign to Amazon that there is a seller who operates multiple accounts from one place. It may consequences account suspension. If you want to run multiple accounts, you have to take permission from Amazon. Number 7. Thank you card. Don't write on your thank you card. If you give us 5-star, we will refund you. Number 8. Inventory management. You can take pre-order in case of restocking. It means if you have a product that is going good and your product is going to out of stock soon or not in stock temporarily, but you have mentioned there that it will restock in 3 to 5 days, and then we will ship your order to destination. So in this scenario, you can take pre-orders. But if your product do not restock on the mentioned date, it means you have violate inventory management policy. Consequently, it will problematic for you. If you find it informative, then share it with others. Thank you for your time.